Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your account on Pepperstone. Right now we can try a demo, but what if you want to just trade on Pepperstone? Then we click right here on trade now. Then he will send us through this page and you can create your account by clicking here on join now because we are not a client yet. And then we can sign in with email if you want to, but also with a Google account. So let's say we want to sign in with a Google account. We will do this real quick. So we click right here on a Google account, then we continue. And then right now he will send us through this page right here. So make sure that you fill in all the details right here real quick. And then right now we can decide if we want to set up a live account or we can start trading with demo. Let's do set up a live account. And then right now we do all these steps right here. So we can select MetaTrader 5, but I want to click here on Pepperstone because I want to use their own web trader. Then from here, click on standard, US dollars, and then we click right now on continue. Then we need to fill in all the information that they need for our employment and income right here. So we will do this real quick. And then after this, we click on continue again. And there we are. So right now we just created our account on Pepperstone. And this is exactly how you can do this. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.